At Matt Construction, we want to be the pioneers in moving technology forward. Overall, we are trying to achieve one thing, which is to build better buildings with great quality.
The type of projects that Matt does tend to be more complicated. This project is difficult because every surface on it is round or spherical, and so conventional two-dimensional drawings don't work very well.
Every layer is curved in a different way. So looking at it in a 2D model will never give you the real way this thing is going to look at the end. 3D models help us envision what it is.
The use of augmented reality on this project is for location of the anchors for the ceiling panels inside the Geffen Theater.
What AR does is it doesn't obstruct your vision. You're seeing what you're seeing, and it's augmenting your vision with the virtual world.
Everything's uneven up here, so this gives us an ability to see what we're framing.
They are viewing the model through their goggles, so they literally see where the anchors are supposed to be, and they know whether they've got the anchor in the right spot. In this particular theater, it's a very, very important part of the layout to get right.
The usability of AR has immense potential. We just have scratched the surface of it. And this is where Matt has a niche to help clients with those very unique situations, unique buildings, unique architecture. Clients, architects, they love us for what we do and for being able to be a partner and not just say, no, that's not buildable. We want to build it for them if they have come up with a design for it. People will be using this building for years. They will probably not remember who built it or who designed it, but they will enjoy it. They will cherish the moment every time they step into this theater.